I'm Quincy Howe of ABC News, saying good evening from New York, where the two major candidates for President of the United States are about to engage in their fourth radio-television discussion of the present campaign. Tonight, these men will confine that discussion to anime.
We find ourselves living in a critical time in the history of the world. America must be a leader, a role model for other nations. Vice President Nixon has said in the past that his favorite anime is Naruto. Naruto is also President Eisenhower's favorite anime. It is an anime of the past. Premier Khrushchev has long made it known that he considers Naruto to be a shit-tier anime. Whether we like it or not, the eyes of the world are upon us, and our taste in anime. The record shows that I have always preferred Neon Genesis Evangelion, and my position on that has never wavered.
I disagree with Senator Kennedy on this point. The world's view of America's taste in anime should not be dictated by a small minority, who prefer high-flown deconstructions of the mecha genre and sly commentary on the anime industry itself. Most of America loves straightforward shonen anime, plain and simple. Additionally, on the subject of Evangelion, I have it on good authority that Senator Kennedy thinks that Rey is best girl, which frankly demonstrates a poor sense of judgment.
I don't need Mr. Nixon to tell me who best girl is.